Hello guys, I'm Halen Quest to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID. In a case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, stolen your Gmail ID, changed the password or you forgot password or in a case, unfortunately you have lost your device, then how do you recover it quickly? Even if you don't have registered the recovery mobile number or recovery email, but however, of course, you can access your particular Gmail ID that you want. How it is possible? Of course, by providing substance information, this can be possible. Due to recommendation of my one viewer, I have decided to especially recover this ID, and it's a live recording. Just watch carefully. It's only one for institution purpose, and the one, of course, go for recovery your particular, but don't misuse this strategy. So just we will go for next, and now. Yeah, see, it is asking should I enter the password or forgot password. So we have alternative options, and that's the forgot password. Furthermore, we will see here, it's asking that enter especially your recovery mobile number and you will get a yes SMS, but we don't have a registered number, so we don't have a phone. So now it's essential that couldn't sign in you, so how can I add to that? It's happening because we did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really mine. Of course, we will have to make it mine by giving substance information. So if I go for multiple times, I try again, so then similar strategy, and Google will be a freeze. Yes, Google will freeze this ID particular, and then by alternative options we will have to provide an alternative email ID, and there are some endorsed document and proof. On the basis of Google will verify after 48 hours that this ID really belongs to you or not, and if it is, then you will have an opportunity to create a strong password. But right now we would like to have the quick solutions how it is. Just simply we will cut it from here, and of course we will have to come especially in the Play Store, guys. In the Play Store we will have to write here Lammer browser. So Lammer browser, just we will open, so it has started to install here. Similar strategy you will have to, so 78 MB total size of it, so let it download. On the other hand, of course, let's work. We will hold this Chrome browser, Google browser, and tap on the help icons, and upon here the notification we will have to make it block. It's allowed, so just I had to make it block, and the permission, of course, we will exploit, and we'll navigate the location, and of course here before don't allow, just turn off use precise locations, and upon, of course, we will go for here. If you deny these permissions, then the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Of course, we will go for allow enable. One more time, we will have to do similar strategy by the coming Google product. We will have to hold the Chrome browser because this is also product of Google, guys. We will make it the block, so it's already blocked, so of course we will back, and we will explore the permissions to, of course, we will navigate the location, and we will land it here. Just we will make it disable, and of course we will go for allow. Here is a similarly asking so that the permission basic feature of a device may no longer as or no longer function as especially intended. Of course we will go for it. So now that we have done all the works here, once again let's check it out. This browser has been downloaded, so once again we will have to come the Chrome browser, and upon, of course, we will come in. Yes, hold this Chrome browser, and upon, of course, we will come the help icon. So hold it, and of course the help icon, and upon we will come in a browser app. Here we have options in that. We will have to click on this one's Lammer browser, and now so we have to open this one. So let's see. We will have to accept all the term and condition, guys. So let's see. Now here, just we will have to write in there Google. We will have to write. So we will have the especially here keyboard of my this phones, and of course we will have here right here google dot go in according to your the country. Of course you can have it. So a little bit we will make it the zoom of this and we will come this way. So now we have the options, that is the special item, the shine in. Of course let's shine in. Now we will have to enter the particular this ID that we want. Yeah, so let me have this ID. It was. Now what we will do, we will go for next. So it's asking the password. Of course we have another option, that is forgot password. Similar status we will have to make it here also. So now see here, it's asking that's number we will have to enter. We don't have this number. So now what we will do here, guys, it's also saying the couldn't sign in because we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is real man's. Now here is the options that answering as many as questions so that we can provide the substantial information to the Googles to recover it. Don't click on it, dragons, otherwise similar platform will be open for you that within the 48 hours. Of course you will have to, because you are trying to, and maybe freeze for more than 48 hours also because you are trying to recover in this ID by a different browser that doesn't belong to other Googles. In that condition, of course, maybe the chances of to suspect. So don't click on dragons. Just we will get it from here. Now it's time to have the crucial actions. We will come the setting, guys. I will come the setting. Of course we will have to come here. That is a Google service. Here it is. In a Google service, of course we have a 3 dot at the corner and help icon. So pick this one, help. Now what we have to do, guys, here, should we have the cant sign in your Google accounts, or we'll have this ones. Now that we will have especially according to the requirements we will go. You forgot your password, you forgot your username, email address used to sign in, or you know your username password but you can't sign in. I don't know my username, I don't know, but password I don't know. So you think someone has using your accounts. This is a perfect, especially pick one that you think not, I think so that yes someone is. So I have picked these ones. Now that we have options, and that is secure your account. First option we will pick this one, and here is that review your account activity. Just within here is asking to find out if your account has been hacked. Of course the hacked means of course someone has stolen or someone is using this account. So just we will have this one. So now here is options that let me see. Here is your accounts. The find out if your account has been hacked, and then just below the importance options, just to see Google account page. Here, just we will open it. So now we will wait and watch here. Here we have options, and that is sign in. Directly we will go sign in the security of there, and here this particular ID we will have to here enter, and of course we will go for here next. Now directly we would be here and see here that we have options, and that is a update password, or we have the another option that is a continue. So in that condition what we will do here, guys, don't click on a continue, otherwise of course some of the question maybe again ask especially here by the Google to verify that signing you. So just we will go for pick one update password, and we will see here that we have an opportunity to generate the strong password here. Create a strong password. Here we have another option also. Don't click on a save password. Just directly we can skip it, and there we will add a alternative recovery number, alternative email, and upon whenever we would like to the reset of the password. This can be. Otherwise, of course, we have a directly here they create the strong password. And the live recording we cannot generate here, but of course no within the files that I will generate, and I will give to this viewer. There's a particular ID. So this is an easy way, but this is only for institution purpose. Don't misuse this, especially on tutorial. So this is all about in the furthermore inquiry, of course, the blindly how the query will be comment box. So the pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, guys. And if it is acknowledgeable, informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and serve these concerns because this is a thing. This is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such an informative tutorial, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.